Hi everyone, this is Yashwant. Today I would like to explain AWS DevOps CI/CD with Mule. For this, we should require Anypoint Studio. We should create a repository in GitHub, and we should have created account in AWS. So initially, I have created a sample application in the Mule, that is sample application, and in the form XML for this application, add the Cloud Hub properties like version, username, password, business group. All these properties should be added in the format XML file, and later we should push these changes to the GitHub repository. So yeah, I already created a GitHub repository in my GitHub. So this is my sample repository for the GitHub demo repo for AWS. I already deployed this application. So I made it slight changes to the application. So I will commit those changes. So I want to push those changes to commit 3. Yeah, it's pushing those changes. Yeah, the changes push to the GitHub repository where we can refresh and be able to see the changes in the repository. Yeah, 90 seconds ago, though the changes has pushed. Now we should take this code to the AWS through the pipelines created in the AWS. So this code will be deployed to the Cloud Hub through the pipelines created in AWS. So now go to AWS, click on when we log into the AWS, just we can see the home page like this, and click on developer tools. Yes, when we click on the developer tools, we'll be able to see the properties like source, build, pipeline. All these properties can be seen in the developer tools itself. So we want to create a pipeline. So click on pipelines, click on create pipelines. Yeah, give the name of the pipeline as demo pipeline. Demo pipelines sample. So leave all those properties as it is. Click on next. Give the source provider as GitHub because our code present in the GitHub. So we should create it. We should select the GitHub. If we commit the code in the AWS code command, we can click on AWS code command. So now we can click on the GitHub. So we should come to the GitHub repository. So click on the connect to GitHub repository. So if you are connecting the GitHub for the first time, it will ask for the credentials. So I already connected to the GitHub, so it won't ask for any credentials now. So I want to set the repository. I have created the repository demo repo for AWS, and I want to set the branch as a master and click on next. Click on the build provider as AWS code build. So project name, we initially we do not have any project, so we should have to create a project for this. This is the build project where our all the deployment properties are given in the this build project itself. So give the name of the project demo build thing. So set the operating system as Ubuntu, runtime as standard, images anything. These are the various versions in AWS, so we can select anything. All this we keep it as default. So for the we should click on insert build commands and click on switch to editor mode. So first we have to uncomment this install and we have to uncomment this runtime because we require JDK 8. So we should uncomment this version and give the command JDK 8. This is the command for the JDK. So in my case, it worked correct to 8. In other case, in some cases, it worked for OpenJDK 8. So we can go for correct to 8. Click on open correct to 8. So pre-build commands. I just copy all those commands and paste here. So I just want to give the application name as AWS CI/CD demo because when we try to deploy the Mule application into the Cloud Hub, it will initially search for the Convert.xml file. So in order to give the location for the Convert.xml, I am changing the directory to my application level. So in the application level, we can find the Convert.xml file. So that's why. So we can these are the only properties we should give in the build commands. So click on continue code pipeline. Yeah, so we have successfully created the build project. So click on next. So we can click on skip deploy stage because we did not need this skip deployment stage. So in the finally we will get the review. So these are the properties which we have created in the all those steps we have created in the pipeline. So we click on create pipeline. Yeah, pipeline is created successfully. So we can see the job is running. So we can see the we can take the logs, click on those, and we can see the build run. So we can see that the we can tail the logs. Click on tail logs. Yeah, it will take some time because as it is we are using the Ubuntu, it will download some pre-required artifacts. So it is downloading some artifacts. So it will take some time until the application got deployed. So we can see that the build has run successfully. We can see that the application has already exists as the applications exist. So it is redeployed and started the application. And we can it is before the starting application check application is already started or not. So finally, if the application if everything goes well, the application is deployed successfully. We will get the build success and the success succeed and config is completed. So if all the works perfectly, we can able to see this message in the logs. So we will verify whether the application got started in the platform. Yeah, we can see the application has got started in the Cloud Hub itself. So this is the end-to-end process for the AWS CI/CD with Mule. That's all. Thank you.